Earnest money. What is it? How much? And do I get it back? Where's that money go? Hi, I'm Reid Schwartz with Keller Williams, and today I'm going to talk about earnest money. Hi, I'm Reid Schwartz with Keller Williams, Western Realty, and today we're going to talk about earnest money. What is earnest money? How much? Where does it go? All that stuff. So earnest money is the money that we put up as part of the real estate contract when you're purchasing a home to show good faith, to show that you really want to go through with the transaction. And that amount of money that we put up used to be kind of on the lower end. Sometimes we would see $500 to $1,000 on lower priced homes. Now we're seeing a couple thousand to 1% to 3% on most transactions because we're in a tight real estate market and there's often multiple offers on the table. Something to keep in mind, that you're going to be spending a good chunk of that money to close the deal anyways. So by putting more earnest money up front, you make your offer stand out from some of the others. Good little tidbit. So we've talked about what it is and how much. Now, what do we do with that earnest money? It needs to be delivered to the closing agent, which here is typically the escrow office, within 2 business days of mutual acceptance of the real estate contract. And how do you deliver it? Well, escrow wants a personal check, a cashier's check, or a wire transfer. They do not want a suitcase full of cash or an EBT. An EBT is another kind of electronic transfer, but it is not accepted by escrow. We've had a case where a client went into the bank and said, hey, I need to wire $5,000. Teller said, that's going to cost you $30, but we can do an EBT for free. So they did the EBT. Not acceptable. Escrow has to have received those funds by the close of business on the second day, or you are in violation of your real estate contract. So where does that money go? Well, assuming you go through with the real estate contract and purchase the home, those funds will be applied towards your closing costs and your down payment. In the event that you do not go through with the real estate contract, the answer is it depends. If you use one of the contingencies in the real estate contract, the inspection contingency, your finance contingency, or one of several others, then you likely will keep your earnest money. That is the purpose of those contingencies, is for you to be able to work through some items and still be made whole and get your earnest money back. However, if you exit the real estate contract without using one of those contingencies, the seller is going to keep the money. And on top of that, no matter what, the seller still has to sign off on a form before escrow will release those funds. So I would never say that it's 100% you're going to get your money back, but it doesn't happen very often. I hope that helps. I hope I've answered some questions about earnest money. My name is Reid Schwartz. I'm a real estate broker with the Craig McKenzie team at Keller Williams. And if I can answer any of your questions, feel free to leave something in the comments and the notes down below, or shoot me a text or an email. I'd be happy to chat.